Hello everyone, my name is Oscar and I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia, and in this video I'll be showing you my CS50 Python final project, CHA-CHING, a virtual finance tracker app which lets you keep track of multiple wallet transactions and even your stocks portfolio. Even though it's implemented as a command line program, CHA-CHING has been designed to help users track their financial activities in a very user-friendly manner. So let's check out the first main feature of CHA-CHING, wallets. And in wallets you can add new wallets and remove your existing wallets. So before recording this video, I actually created a wallet beforehand called the main wallet. So let's actually just check out what it looks like inside. So if I open up my main wallet, I can see the name of my wallet, main, right there in a big bold typeface, my balance sheet, and I can actually view the history of all my transactions here. It's complete with all the details you might want to know about your transactions. You can also add activities to this wallet too. So let's actually try adding one, income. So let's say we want to add $70 to it. Let's describe our income as a gift from a friend probably. And we can maybe categorize it as other. And now our balance has been updated to $200 and so is our history now. So that is wallets. Alright, but CHA-CHING isn't just for tracking wallets. You can also use it to track your stocks or equity with portfolio. So let's actually check it out. Portfolio. Let's try adding a stock. Now let's say we own like Google stock or something, right? Just query Google into CHA-CHING. And let's say we have like 2 shares. What price did we bought it at? Let's say we just bought it at 100. Now it's successfully added to our portfolio. Let's check out how it looks like inside. Now inside we can buy or sell more and link those transactions to our CHA-CHING wallets. Let's try buying more and let's link this buy transaction with our current main wallet. Let's say we want to buy just one share because we probably don't have enough for 2. And 1 share has been successfully bought. And now we can see our portfolio value has automatically been updated, and we can also view all history regarding our portfolio transactions, so all for the Google equity. Now here's the convenient thing about CHA-CHING. When you link a buy or sell transaction from your portfolio to a CHA-CHING wallet, when we check out the wallet that we just linked, our history table has been updated automatically. So that's it for CHA-CHING. So thanks for tuning into this video. I hope you found this video helpful or informative. See you next time.